Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to give you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Touareg just landed in stock. This is a 3-litre TDI 4Motion 286 PS SEL Tech finished in a pure white paint, and it does also come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty. If you would like to find out more information about this Touareg, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So on the front you've got your chrome trim radiator grille and air intake pairing with the chrome accents throughout. And then moving around we have your stunning 19-inch alloy wheels. They're really chunky, which will provide you with additional comfort. They also really stand out against the white finish. You've got your heated door mirrors to reduce any condensation. You've also got your black roof rails pairing nicely with the other black elements, as well as your rear tinted glass adding to the sleek finish. Then opening up the rear, you'll have your first glance at the stunning interior. You have the luxurious Vienna leather upholstery. Got lots of leg and headroom, which is expected from a Touareg. Got your centre seat also acting as an armrest with 2 cup holders. And you've got individual air vents for your rear passengers, as well as access to charging their own devices. And this car has also covered over 9,000 miles. This car does also feature your front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear view camera to support you with parking and manoeuvring. And then we do also have an electric tailgate, which we can access via the key fob. So moving into the boot, we are greeted with a huge and practical space. Got plenty of room to store your weekly shopping, as well as a few large suitcases. You could always put the rear seats down if you ever required that additional room. You have also got your handy parcel shelf there as well. And then as an upgraded option, this car also features a power folding tow bar with trailer assist. So using the control, it will simply pop straight out the bottom. And then with the same button to pop it straight back in. It's really easy to use. And then to close the boot, you just simply press the button as demonstrated. So it's great if you ever got your hands full. So then progressing towards the front. So opening up the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror and window controls. And then scanning over, you have your multifunction steering wheel followed by your Innovision cockpit. You have also got your fantastic panoramic sunroof, flooding lots of natural light into the vehicle, as you can see. Got your heated front seats. This car does really give off that luxury vibe. So next I'll jump in and I'll show you some of the exclusive features on the inside. So jumping inside, pressing your foot on the brake and using your start and stop function, your car will come to life. We have your multifunction steering wheel where we can access driver information and settings, as well as easily shift through your cockpit, which shows key information within your field of view. So then we can access things like your assist systems, your map, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then we do also have your automatic lights to ensure that they're always on at the correct times. So over here we have your multifunction computer with a 7-inch colour display where we can access your car's functions. This includes your satellite navigation, got a high graphic map, got your speed on there, and then you can also change your view from day to night or leave it on automatic, just preference to the driver. Then we do also have your DAB digital radio, which comes as standard. You have an endless list of music stations. And then we do also have your app connect, which can transform your display into your phone as you have access to your messages, contacts, apps and music. So it's a really handy feature to have. And then another fantastic feature is your Bluetooth telephone connect, so you can answer phone calls safely and directly through your car. And then we can access your air conditioning through the screen, so both yourself and your passenger have access to your own temperatures to save any arguments. And then you do also have your heated seats for both yourself and your passenger, so you can choose how much heat you want each chair to have. So it's a nice handy feature. And then we do also have your rear view camera, so you can change different angles. This will support you with manoeuvring. And you also have the benefit of your front and rear parking sensors to help you with this as well. And then we have my favourite feature, which is the wireless phone charging. So it's really convenient, it prevents wires being on show, and it's a place for your phone to sit, so it just takes a couple of seconds to start up. You do also have the option of using a USB port as well. And you've got your automatic gearbox alongside some handy cup holders. And then down here we can change your driving profile. So we've got your eco, normal, sport, individual, off-road and snow. And we do also have some storage space underneath the armrest, along with another USB port to charge devices. This car does also feature an illuminated air-conditioned glove box, which is perfect for storing snacks on long journeys. And finally, we have your electric panoramic sunroof. So it comes as an upgraded option. It flows lots of natural light into the car, which is perfect for when the sun is shining. So this was a tour around the Volkswagen Touareg SEL trim. Please contact us on 01978 340 600 to find out more information. Thanks for watching.